Hi, my name is Heather Kelly. I'm a dental hygienist with TePe Oral Hygiene Products. I'm here to introduce you to the TePe products and how to use them. The TePe Extra Grip is developed to help patients with reduced manual strength and dexterity. Caregivers may also find it works great for increased stability in assisting with oral cleaning. This stable grip weighs only 30 grams and it fits the handle of the TePe Select and most of our specialty brushes. It is easy to insert and remove. The TePe Extra Grip simply slides over your toothbrush handle, giving you a larger surface area to grasp with your hand. Insert and remove the toothbrush by tapping the handle against, for example, a table or countertop to secure into position and for removal. Rinse and let air dry, and this device is dishwasher safe. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our products. Please visit our website for more information.